Hi everyone, welcome back to another session of really using technical analysis to see if we can find any trading opportunities. So if we're looking at Aussie yen again, we caught the bounce perfectly and it has reached our profit target. So the plan now is, what are we going to do? What I'd like to do immediately is to actually look graphically to see if there are any selling opportunities. So what is immediately obvious to me is that we can draw a nice descending resistance line from here, and you can see that price is being held down by here. Right, so the trick now is to determine where do we sell from. Okay, if you checked out my analysis, one thing I was observing is that this here, I'm a fan of Elliott wave theory. So what it looks like is happening here is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we might be testing one more time before it drops. Okay, so to do that, we need to do a Fibonacci extension and see if what we're talking about actually makes sense. So if this is a wave 1 up to here, a wave 2 down to here, 161.8, no, it's 1.618 projection extension is the wave 3 target, which is correct. And now what we have to do now is to take the wave 1 and put it to the end of wave 4. Okay, the wave 1 projection is up to here again, right? It's right at where the wave the swing high is occurring on wave 1. So we are going to use us, it more or less coincides with the descending resistance line we're expecting. So we can draw some sort of resistance here. We're expecting a resistance here. Okay, so slightly that is going to test one more time. I'm just going to do a smaller Fibonacci extension from here to here. Yep, 0.61 is just about there. So okay, our plan is to sell from here, and you know me, if I like to use a stop loss, it'll likely be over here. This will be our stop loss and just above the next swing high, and we can play a move down all the way down to the major support area here, because the price tends to move from support to resistance to support to resistance. So in this case, this will be our take profit. Alright, selling area, this is our selling entry. It's pretty straightforward, if you ask me. And of course, we look at our indicators and we see, I like to look at the stochastic. In this case, I prefer the 55. And you can see that, price is more or less just on its way down. Nice horizontal resistance. Nice horizontal resistance. Price is on its way down, so we can expect a further drop from price as long as it's below this level. Our goal is definitely to sell on strength. You can scale into your positions now. You can wait for price to reach there. The goal is simple, is that we should be looking to sell below 86.96, for a drop to 85.80. So that's it from me, guys. If you have questions on Elliott wave analysis, it's really complicated, so you can always feel free to ask me. Ask me on my YouTube channel, ask me on the InstaForex forums, and I will do my best to get back to you. Yeah, so happy trading, and I hope you guys keep bagging them pips. Okay, cheers, peace out.